Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. Here's how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet in under a minute. Open the Kraken app or website, tap on Transfer at the bottom left, then select Withdrawal. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, let's say Bitcoin, then select the correct network that matches your receiving wallet. Next, tap Select Address and choose Add Withdrawal Address. Paste in your wallet address, select the network again, add label like Revolut1, and continue. Kraken will send a confirmation email. Click the link to verify the address. Now choose how much crypto you want to send. Review the transaction summary to confirm the amount, destination, and network. And once everything looks good, hit confirm. Your crypto will then be on its way to the selected wallet. That's how you transfer your crypto from Kraken quickly and securely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.